Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our tutorial on replacing the closing piece of the Thermomix TM31. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you have all the necessary tools and knowledge to complete the repair effectively. First, let's gather the tools you'll need. 1. A Phillips screwdriver. 2. A flathead screwdriver. 3. A soft cloth for cleaning. 4. A small container to hold screws. 5. Optional, a vacuum for any debris inside the unit. Begin by unplugging your Thermomix TM31 from the wall. Safety is paramount, so ensure the device is completely powered off. Next, use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located on the bottom of the unit. There are typically 4 screws that need to be taken out. Place these screws in your small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the base of the Thermomix. Be cautious, as there may be some wires connected to the base. If you're unsure about handling the wiring, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can help you assess the situation safely. Now, take your flathead screwdriver and carefully pry open the closing piece area. This may require a bit of force, but be gentle to avoid damaging any surrounding parts. Clean the area with a soft cloth to remove any dust or residue that may have accumulated over time. This will ensure a better fit for the new closing piece. At this point, inspect the closing piece itself. If it appears worn or damaged, it's essential to replace it. Ensure you have the right replacement part ready. If you don't have the tools or parts on hand, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making the process hassle-free. Once you have your new closing piece, align it properly with the opening. Press it firmly into place until you hear a click. This indicates that it's securely attached. After that, it's time to reattach the base of your Thermomix. Carefully position it back and align the screw holes. Reinsert the screws using your Phillips screwdriver, ensuring they are tightened securely but not overly tight, as this can cause damage. Remember, our service provides a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect when working with us. After the base is secured, take a moment to double-check everything. Look for any loose screws or components. If everything looks good, plug the Thermomix back into the wall. Test the new closing piece by ensuring it opens and closes smoothly. If you encounter any issues, do not hesitate to reach out for assistance. In conclusion, replacing the closing piece of your Thermomix TM31 can be a straightforward task when you have the right tools and guidance. If you prefer to avoid the hassle, keep in mind that we offer a convenient service with no calls, no travel involved. Simply contact us for any further assistance you may need. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.